Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You might have been wondering, you would like to send an SMS to your loved one automatically, like at 8 a.m. in the morning. I would like to send a love message to my sister at 9 a.m. but by that time I'll be at work, so I would like my phone to do it automatically. So I'm going to teach you how to program your phone to automatically send an SMS configured by you at a time configured by you. Let's get to it. So we're going to use an Android application called Macdroid. So we need to go to the Play Store and install Macdroid. I click on install. Okay, Macdroid I just finished installing, and I would like to note that you can read from there Macdroid device automation. This is an app to automate almost everything on your phone, but today we're going to focus on SMS, and I'm going to do other videos on how to automate other things on your phone. So we are presently at the home screen of the Macdroid application of an Android phone. So I'm going to take the red square, add macro, and you can see there are three menus: triggers, actions, and constraints. Now trigger, it's where you configure an action when something else happens. For example, you can see let me select. You can see applications, you can see battery, you can see call, SMS. Now if I talk about call or SMS, you can trigger, for example, a particular music to play when you receive a call or an SMS. So that's about trigger. But today we're gonna have to trigger an SMS at a particular time. So I'm gonna take date time. Now I'm gonna take day of the week. You can take day of the month if you want. I take day of the week. And let me say every Wednesday at 9 a.m. she's supposed to, the person I want to send an SMS is supposed to eat an apple fruit, for example, every Wednesday 9 a.m. So I just select 9 a.m. I say okay. The trigger has been added. Now I need to go to action to program the action that's going to happen when the trigger time arrives. So I go to action, I scroll down, I take messaging. Macdroid is a very powerful application. We're going to do a lot of videos. I take messaging and I take send SMS. And here I can type the number manually, or I can take that contact head at the top right there to select a contact on my machine. Okay, and I can type a custom messages. Time for your apple. Just a reminder SMS. Now it's okay, I can validate with a tick at the top right there. Just validate. And this is another tick at the bottom right to validate. And now I can give a name to our macro, because actually you can create multiple macros on this app. Like this is the first one to remind somebody to eat the fruit at 9 a.m. I can program another one for another activity to remind another person about something else. So I can name my macro. So let me say this is the eat fruit macro. And now I just type okay. I can categorize the macros if I want. Battery saving, communication, this can be a communication macro. I can just leave it like that. Let me take something interesting. Health and fitness is about fruits. Okay, I just say okay. This is just an advert. I can close the window, and you can see it comes back to the home screen, and there's a macro square the top left. There's one, because we have one macro, so you can just open it and see the details. So that's all about it. So you can do this on your own. And let me get to the comments. If you finally had your SMS sent to the destination, let's keep that for a suspense. But this is how I automate my SMS. I do this a lot. I tell my wife, I program, for example, she has to take her pills, her birth control pills, every day at a particular time, so I have automated an SMS that reminds her all the time. So this is how you view your macros. You can click on it to view the details, like day of the week, to be sure that you've configured the right thing. Day of the week, Wednesday at 9 a.m. send an SMS, time for your Apple. Now we will talk about constraints in another video. So this is the basics. So we just wait on Wednesday at 9 a.m. and the SMS is going to be sent. So I will see you on another video on how to do other things on Macdroid. It's very powerful. It cannot be handled on one video. So I hope this has been informative. Let me get through the comments. For those who have got their SMS sent through, have a nice day.